Welcome back to the Phone Transformer. Today we're answering your question on how to unhide chats on Pinterest. It's quick and easy. So let's get started. Step 1. Open the Pinterest app on your phone. This is where we'll begin the process to get your messages back. Step 2. Tap your profile icon, which is located in the bottom right corner of your screen, to access your personal account menu. Step 3. Once your profile is open, look for and tap the 3 dots icon, which is in the top right corner. This is your settings menu. Step 4. From the menu that appears, tap the option that says Settings, as this is where you control your account's privacy and permissions. Step 5. Inside your settings, find and select the option called Social Permissions, which manages how you interact with others. Step 6. Now, tap on Message Settings. This is the specific menu that controls the visibility of your message inbox. Step 7. Finally, simply turn on the Message Settings toggle, which will immediately unhide all of your chats and conversations. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.